Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be working on subtraction problems. So if you will, go in your packet and find the page that has the subtraction problems with the counting bears. Let's look at our first problem. Our directions say, cross out the bears to match the number sentences. So it says to cross out the bears. So remember that when we cross something out, we are going to put an X on it. That shows that something has been taken away or is no longer there. Let's look at our first problem. Put your finger underneath the number 6. We're going to read our subtraction sentence together. Ready? Here we go. 6 minus or take away 1 equals 5. Let's read it again. 6 take away 1 equals 5. I'm going to start with 6 bears. Let's make sure that we have 6 bears at the beginning of our problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bears at the beginning of our problem. That's this number. Now, our next part of our number sentence says take away 1. So if I'm going to take away 1, how many bears do I need to take away? That's right, I need to take away 1 bear. Watch as I take away 1 bear. I marked off the bear to show that he is taken away. Now, let's count the bears that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 bears left. So our problem was 6 take away 1 equals 5. I had 6 bears. I took away 1, and I was left with 5 bears. Let's do another problem together. Put your finger underneath the number 6. Read the sentence with me. 6 take away 4 equals 2. Let's read it again. 6 minus 4 equals 2. How many bears am I going to start with in this problem? That's right, we're going to start with 6 bears. Let's count to make sure that we have 6 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bears am I going to take away? That's right, I'm going to take away 4 bears. So let's take away 4 bears together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, when we take away, we mark them out to show that they are no longer part of our problem. We've taken away 4 bears. How many do we have left? 1, 2. Read your number sentence with me one more time. 6 take away 4 equals 2. I started with 6 bears. I took away 4 bears, and I am left with 2 bears. Go ahead and work the next problem on your own. I'll give you a few minutes to work it. Push pause. When you're ready to find your answer, push play again. Our number sentence says 8 minus 1 equals 7. 8 take away 1 equals 7. I have 8 bears at the beginning of my problem. I'm going to take away 1 bear. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bears left. You should have marked out 1 bear and been left with 7. Look at the top of the page. Let's work this problem. I'll give you a few moments to work it on your own. Push pause, and when you're ready to find your answer, push play again. Our number sentence says 7 take away 2 equals 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. How many bears do I start with? 7. How many am I going to take away? 2. How many should I be left with? 5. Let's work our problem. I start with 7. I'm going to take away 2. And I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have marked out 2 bears. Look at your next problem. Go ahead and work this problem on your own. Push pause. When you're ready to find your answer, push play again. Our number sentence says 7 take away 3 equals 4, or 7 minus 3 equals 4. We start with 7 bears. We are going to take away 3 bears. How many bears did we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 shows how many bears I had left over at the end. You should have marked out 3 bears because our problem says 7 take away 3 equals 4. Look at your final problem. Go ahead and work this problem on your own. Push pause, and when you are ready to find your answer, push play again. Read your number sentence with me. 8 take away 2 equals 6, or 8 minus 2 equals 6. We start with 8 bears, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to take away 2. How many bears did we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bears left. You should have put an X on 2 bears. When you are finished with this video, go ahead and work the rest of the back of this page. Have a parent help you read the number problems that are on the back.